What's good, fam? You know, I'm not gonna say YouTube because you know we a family out here, you know. But yeah, it's your boy back with another video, and today's video is gonna be the first cooking video on the channel. You know, today we're gonna be cooking burgers. You know, I just saw my favorite bodybuilder cook his version of macro-friendly burger, so I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna cook my burgers, and I'm most definitely gonna eat it. You know what I'm talking about? So in honor of today's video being the first ever cooking video on the channel, I had to get the apron, bro. I had to because when we start cooking, when we put the wrist to work, we don't play, you know. So let me put my apron on so I can be real professional. In the comments down below, tell me what y'all think, if y'all like it. I wanted to get a top hat, but they ain't have no top hat, so I was looking for, so I'll probably go like order one. You know, like them little bacon hats, you know. Yeah, we real professional out here. But for now, we just gonna have the apron. Tell me what y'all think. Oh, I know y'all like that. Alright, so today's ingredients will be, we're gonna start with some lean Angus ground beef. This one is 93.7. You know, macro friendly. We get it to focus. 107 calories, 8 grams of fat, and 23 grams of protein per every 4 ounces. I'm gonna have some fat-free mild cheddar cheese. I showed y'all this on my Instagram. If y'all don't follow me on Instagram, make sure y'all do fit with Nick with underscore at the end. And we have some lettuce, you know, real simple stuff. You could get the one that you chop up yourself, but look, we're gonna get in the bag. Then we have some Sara Lee honey wheat bread just to give us some flavor, and the macros on this is actually pretty decent. Every slice is 70 calories. 1.5 grams of fat per 2 slices, and where I'm at, 5 grams of protein, if y'all can see that, every 2 slices. Then we're gonna have the chopped up bell peppers. You know, I was about to do the let me get this out of here. It's cleaning up. I was about to do the seasoned blend, but I said, look, we're just gonna make it fresh and chopped up bell peppers. All right. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna chop up the bell peppers, fresh bell peppers. You know what I'm talking about? I got I got a red one. I got a green one. Always make sure y'all wash y'all vegetables. Wash anything, bro. Alright, so I'm not the best with chopping up bell peppers, but it can't be that hard. It can't be that hard. And here is the final result. Man, just like seasoning blend. You know what I'm talking about? Look, you might as well give me a job. You know what I'm talking about? Next up will be the meat. You know, like I said, 93.7 Angus meat. Alright, so I'm gonna be mixing it up in here. Usually we just mix the meat in the sink, you know, with the little seasoning, you know what I'm talking about, but we gonna mix it up in here just to be professional. Juicy. Oh, man, that's like twins. That's like twins. Alright, so I found these two, so I'm gonna be using this one, sweet and smoky. Cause, you know, sweet and smoky, you know what I'm talking about? And I found this one, roasted garlic herbs, just to, you know, make it taste better, I guess. Now you don't have to put a lot, bro, because we're going for the fresh taste. We're not going for the, you know what I'm talking about. We're just putting this just to give it a little bit more, you know. Well, look, I put that wrist to work just a little bit. You put a little bit now, and then you put a little bit after you mix what you just put on in. Alright, now we're gonna start mixing it in. Bro, y'all stick with me. Y'all support the channel. We're gonna have a videographer. And y'all can really see the good angles right now. Look, I'm gonna try to get y'all the good angles right now. Right now, look, we ain't got no videographer, so we gotta make it work with what we got. You know what I'm talking about? Then you gotta smell your meat, bro. If your meat still smell like meat. Before I was rudely interrupted by my SD card being too full, I was saying if your meat still smell like meat, it need a little bit more seasoning. Just a tad bit more. Don't be scared to get all up in there, you know. Alright, I think that's about it. Now you can start making your patties. I think I'm gonna do like, we're just gonna do 2 burgers, so we just gonna do 2 big ones. Bro, I forgot to put my bell peppers and stuff in my meat. I'm going back to the drawing board. Like I said, bro, over time we will get better at this. But you have to start somewhere. I keep in mind, bro, it's my first time doing this. So I feel like it's gonna come out good, you know what I'm talking about? So we're taking the easy route. We're gonna throw them in the air fryer. You know, you could do it on the skillet, you could do it in the oven, but we're just gonna throw them in the air fryer. Make it easy, you know what I'm talking about? Alright, first things first, you know, we gotta spray the little air fryer, get it ready for the patties. You know, today we're just gonna be using the olive oil one with no calories. Y'all can see that, bam. You know, you always gotta spray your pan so it don't stick, you know. Then you gotta let your air fryer heat warm up a little bit. You can't just throw your meat up in there. You gotta let it warm up, you know. And then you can toss your meat up, you know. So now that the air fryer all warmed up, we're gonna be cooking these patties. I was looking it up, so we're gonna do like 10 to 12 minutes. I think like 5 to 6 minutes on each side at 375, because that's what Google was saying. So we're gonna find out. And that is wrapped for one side. That's how they looking right now. Look, look, look. I know I should have chopped up my stuff a little bit more, but it's gonna be alright, bro. We still gonna eat it, bro. Ooh. Alright, the pads are flipped, so we putting them back in the air fryer. 375. And there is wraps. Now y'all can't tell me that don't look good. But I'm about to put cheese on top and I'm gonna put it back for 1 minute. Alright. Come on, man, stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Now we're gonna put our bread on it. You know, in this case, I'm gonna just I usually put my bread in the air fryer, but you gotta put like some weight on it, because if not, the bread go rise up all the way to the top. You know, so just put some on top. I'm gonna show you how it look after. All right, this is how it look after. You know, it got a crisp to it. Now it's kind of a little bit soggy right now because I put my burgers on and I wasn't even recording. So I was like, what's going on? You know. But yeah, now it's time to assemble it, bro, because I'm hungry. You know what I'm talking about? Now, when you get your lettuce, make sure y'all always wash your vegetables. Y'all know what what that lettuce been through from the time it was chopped down to the time you bought it, you know? That's the end result right there, G. The end result right there. Alright, before my battery pack die on me again, this the final result right there. Ooh, I know y'all see that. I'm gonna let y'all watch me take a bite. Look at that, bro. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. It tastes good, man. Look, appreciate y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in the next cooking video. We out.